buddies, I hope you're pretty fine and doing well. Did you just see those photos of cheesy potato craters and you really want to make them? So watch my video till the end as they're very interesting and very simple to make. So let's get going. So the first step is to take 1 tablespoon of salted butter and let it melt in the pan. Now I will add 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And now we have to whisk this well together until the raw smell of the all-purpose flour is gone. Now I will add 120 ml of milk. Now I will whisk that well. After some time it will start to thicken. After the cheese sauce has slightly thickened, we will add 2 cheese slices. So I have already broken them into pieces so that there aren't lumps. And we have to mix that with the whisk again. So I will also add 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. That is 1 and 2. And again I will mix that. So this is basically mixing and this stuff. It smells so heavenly and I just can't wait to taste it. So our special cheese sauce is ready. It's super stringy and delicious because of the mozzarella. And now the next step to make is the potato craters. And I really want to make and I can't wait. Let's get started. So the first step to make these delicious potato craters is to take 5 boiled potatoes and we will add them into a bowl and we have to mash them all together. So now I will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric as it gives a lot of color. Half a teaspoon of salt, not more than that because the cheese sauce has salt. And then half a teaspoon of oregano. So now right now I'm adding all the seasonings. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we will mix that well. After mixing all of the seasonings together, I will add half a cup of red capsicum and 2 tablespoons of coriander that I've chopped. And I will mix that again. But before that, I will just add around a tablespoon of mozzarella. And I'll mix that again. Now it's time to put the special cheese sauce. Wow, it's so silky and smooth. And of course, it's very delicious. So I will add all the cheese sauce. And then I will mix it again using a spoon. Delicious. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of corn flour to the mixture. And we'll mix it. So this will, or the potato will absorb this and it won't be as sticky. I have shaped the potato craters in circles and I have made a hole in between and added cheese in there. And now this will go in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So these potato craters are ready and I have put some garlic cheese spread and dried kasuri methi to give it a lot of extra flavor. You can make these potato craters for an energetic breakfast or you can also eat them for an evening snack. Now I'll just cut open and show you how it will look and taste. Ooh, look at all the cheese, it's melting out. It's falling on the plate. I'll just cut and I'll just try one. You can see the cheese oozing out of the potato crater and also do try this amazing and delicious recipe. Bye!